Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my lip gloss videos. Can you believe it? Today I am trying on more lip glosses, but it's not Kylie Cosmetics. Who could it possibly be? It's Glossier. I know, I never thought this day would come either, but everyone has been trying on Glossier lip glosses and talking about Glossier that I thought, okay, I have to see what all the fuss is about. Why do people like this brand so much? So I ordered their 3 lip glosses and I haven't even seen what the inside of this box looks like. Let's see. Ooh, Glossier. Oh, that's so cute. It comes in this cute little pouch. Oh, is this a sticker? Look how cute. They send you a little Glossier sticker. That's so cute. Kylie has to step up her game. Look how cute these lip glosses come in this little pouch. Honestly, this doesn't even seem like packaging. You could probably reuse this. Fine, you can have the box. It's really small though. I don't think you're going to fit in it. You're going to try anyway? Are you sitting on my cotton rounds? Chelsea! You were sitting on my cotton rounds. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I actually really like this. I didn't really know what to expect because actually I haven't watched any Glossier unboxings. I've just heard of the brand and seen people putting it on. But this is actually really cute and I like this. They don't look identical. They're pretty similar in the size, but there's one that's bigger than the other two. The biggest one is the clear one, then there's holographic and red. Which one should I start with? I think I'm gonna start with the clear one just because the other two seem more exciting. This is really cute. After taking it out of the box, it also comes in this thing. Ooh, look how cute. That's really cute. It seems to be very high quality, and I don't know if anyone else has mentioned this in their videos, but to me, the aesthetic of the Glossier logo and the tube and everything just kind of gives me Mean Girls vibes. Does that make sense? I don't know. It just seems a little bit like from the 2000s, but I mean that in a good way. It looks really cute. Oh my gosh, I can't open this. Maybe I'm just really weak. Okay, wow. I don't know if they I don't know if they super glued this closed and I can't open it. Finally! Okay, I got it open. And look how cute. Ooh, very cool. I always have to smell the lip glosses. I'm sure everyone thinks this, but when a lip gloss smells good, it just makes it so much better. It's just such a nicer experience to put it on and to wear it. Yeah, I'm already getting bubbles in there, but it's okay. I got some new micellar water because I ran out last time. Got the big one. This is clear. As you can see, it's clear. And the smell isn't bad because I have smelled lip glosses that smell bad, but this just has a kind of basic normal lip gloss smell. Let's see how this looks. Wow. I get the hype now. I understand. Wow. I have tried a lot of the lip glosses during my life. The application, oh my gosh. Let me just show you what it looks like first. Now I can rant about how much I like this already so quickly. The application, compared to so many other lip glosses that I've tried, was so smooth. It was effortless. Like, it was just like just magic. And then when I do this, I don't even know how to describe it. It doesn't feel like I have lip gloss on. It feels like I have another layer of skin on, and that sounds weird, but in a really good way. This doesn't feel like it's going to get everywhere. This, I get it now. Like, this is really good. Wow. I usually do 2 coats of every lip gloss that I've reviewed or tried on in a video, but I really don't think I need a second coat with this. This is amazing. I definitely don't need a second coat. This is more than enough. And I didn't even dip it in twice, just with the first time that I took it out of the bottle. That's all I used, and that's way more than enough for me, honestly. Wow, I totally get it. That was really unexpected. I didn't really have very high expectations just because I thought, you know, this is just another trend. It's really popular, but it's not actually that good. It is that good to me. It's totally amazing. I might have to cheat on Kylie now. It's so sad. Wow, very cool. Okay, which one should I try next? Holographic or red? I'm gonna try the holographic one first. Okay. Oh, wow. This, I'm not acting. This is mesmerizing. They did not lie. This is like really holographic. Oh my gosh. I don't want to sound dramatic, but when I look at it up against the light, it kind of looks like clouds in a bottle. Sparkly clouds in a bottle, and I mean that in the most amazing way. I wish I could get this on camera the way that I'm looking at it, but I don't think it'll pick up quite the same way. Let me just try to show you. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it the same way that I'm seeing it, but to me, like I said, it looks like sparkly clouds in a bottle. It is really amazing. Wow, I'm very excited to try this out. Now we have to take off the clear one, which is sad. Holy guacamole. This is stuck on my lips. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Wow, this is so pretty. Let's see if I can open this one. Because apparently they just glue these shut. Nope. I need my little gripper thing. And even with this, I can't. Okay. This is embarrassing. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna break a finger. Or all of them. Goodness gracious. I can't open this. Help. Ow. Is this normal? Does anyone else struggle? Or am I just like super weak? Ow. Oh my gosh. I'm actually going to hurt myself. Ow. I finally got it open. There we go. Wow. Look at how pretty. That's crazy. Same smell. It's not good or bad. It just smells like lip gloss, which is fine. I'm really excited about this one. I'm really excited. It looks so pretty. So pretty in the bottle. If you know me, you know I am a sucker for shimmers or sparkles or glitter, anything like that. So this is so exciting to me. It's so easy and smooth to apply. It's so fun. It's so sparkly. Wow. This is so nice. Wow. And again, one coat is way more than enough. I think if I put a second coat on, it would just be, you know, a mess. It's just totally unnecessary. I'm very impressed. I didn't expect this. It's so nice. I really, really like it. Wow. And again, it's really on there. It doesn't feel like it's going to come off anytime soon, which is awesome. Wow. I'm very impressed, Glossier. Man, I am really impressed. I'm just still kind of in shock in a good way. I really didn't expect that I was going to like these this much. They're really nice, really good. Now to take off this holographic one, which again is so sad. Wow, it's like a coat, a nice warm winter coat for your lips. I don't know if that sounds weird, but that is the most accurate way that I can describe how it feels. It's like a really nice warm hug for your lips that looks pretty and is moisturizing. So I'm officially a Glossier fan. I did not think this would happen. I did not expect this, but I'm also okay with it. Next is the one called Red. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, it's red. These colors are so pretty. This is what red looks like. It looks red. Ah, I was able to open this one all by myself. I'm so proud. Same lip gloss scent. My lips are starting to feel kind of dry from all of that micellar water, but it's fine. Wow. It's so nice. It is just so nice. So of course it isn't quite as red once you put it on. It just gives you kind of a nice bit of color, but not too much, which is fine. I don't really use bold colors as much as I used to. It's all pretty. Man, I cannot believe I actually love these. They're so great. Now I want to try everything made by Glossier. If it's this good, I want to try everything. Glossier, please send me stuff. please. Here are all three together so you can kind of compare the shades. The top one is clear, the middle one is red, and the bottom one is holographic. And they are all just beautiful and such high quality. I am very, very impressed and pleasantly surprised. I love these. Wow. I thought I would just be a one-time customer at Glossier, but I really have to rethink that now. Wow. They're so pretty. And they're so cute and small and portable. Oh my gosh. I love these. I guess I'll give my opinion for which one I like the most, in case you'd like to know. I really have to think about this. I think I'm actually going to go with the holographic one as my favorite. I just love the effect that it gives your lips. It's so just mesmerizing and hypnotizing and eye-catching, you know? And then second place, I think I'd say red, because I do like that little bit of color that it gives you. And not that I don't like clear, I don't know, the other two, I like them more. Yeah, I think I would put them in this order. Favorite, second favorite, least favorite, but I love them all, and these are definitely going to be used all the way up by me, and I am almost certain that I will be repurchasing these in the future. I really enjoyed doing this. I am very pleasantly surprised, and I am now definitely officially a Glossier fan. So yes, please Glossier, sponsor me one day. I will gladly review your products. Wow, this is just so nice. And I love this little pouch. I might just keep this because it's really nice for just being packaging. And there they go. Nice and safe with my free sample and my sticker. Thank you for watching my Glossier unboxing and try on. I really enjoyed filming this video. This was really fun and I surprised myself. I really like these products and now I really want to try more Glossier products. Like always, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and if you would like to leave a comment, I always love to read those if you have any suggestions for future video ideas or anything like that. And as always, I hope you have an awesome day. Bye!